Hi, welcome to another edition of Tragon's Tuesday Tech Tips. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set your hardness on a Nelsen Water Solutions valve. It's important when you're doing an installation that you're setting your hardness so that the valve knows how to calculate the capacity properly. The way that we set the hardness is we press the next and up arrows together at the same time from the home screen. And the first screen that pops up is our hardness. The default is 20 grains hard, but you want to set it accurately so that your valve does an accurate reading of capacity. And that is how you set the hardness on a Nelsen Water Solutions valve. Thank you for joining.